Well, I am on vacation, and that means that I get to spend some time with my Les Paul build. And the next thing I gotta work on is fitting this neck into this cavity here, this neck cavity. But in order to do that, I need a very sharp chisel. So, do you remember that triple side-by-side chisel sharpening jig that I had by M-Power? Well, the reason why I love that so much is because it was so dummy-proof. And it was inexpensive compared to traditional sharpening routes. Well, they sent me one of their latest jigs, and it's called Fasttract. And I've been using this for the past several weeks, and spoiler alert, I love it. My favorite part about this jig is how even more dummy-proof it is than their previous one. Because I mean, tell me that you know me without telling me that you know me. This thing is set up for speed. It really is. You just simply take your chisel, place it on this mount, and then you simply take this jig and just start sharpening like this, side by side. It has 4 different angles that you can actually set it at, which takes out all of the guesswork for you as far as setting your angle. And then it comes with these great color-coded diamond pads, which again takes all of the guesswork out for you. And they're actually magnetized, so you just simply take this one off, put that one on, and you just keep on stepping. But not only is this easier and faster, but it's so much cheaper. It's like 1/3 of the cost of, say, one sharpening stone. So to me, it's just kind of a no-brainer. So if you're interested in this thing, there's going to be a link down below. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to my Les Paul build.